guys, it's Anna from BlackboxMyCar. Welcome back to our monthly dashcam compilation. We've gathered some of our most jaw-dropping, hilarious, and heart-pounding moments captured on dashcams from all over. Find these videos by visiting our YouTube Shorts and Instagram channels. If you got some epic clips to share, be sure to do so in the link below and get yourself a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. We want to hear from you. Tell us how we're doing in our 2-minute survey and you'll be entered in to win a monthly BlackboxMyCar prize package worth over $125 US. Don't miss your chance to win. Click on the link in the description below. Roll the clip.
Hey buddy, I was actually fixing to come talk to you. You need a jump?
Yeah.
Are you sure you need a jump?
Yeah, you got cables?
I think you need more than a jump, buddy. Your two tires are blown out back here.
I know. I'm trying to get good footage.
Yeah, cause I don't think you need a jump, buddy. No, I think you need a tow truck, buddy. Your tires are blown out.
I'm trying to get good footage.
You're trying to get to the where?
Footage.
The foothills?
Yeah.
I mean, I can try to give you a jump.
So,
Yeah.
that's all.
Okay. Yeah, pop your hood. Go ahead. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Nah, this guy's fucking plastered. You need to get like a cop out here for sure. This dude. Oh my god. Yeah. No, he's. Yeah. No, he's right in front of my truck. We're at a. Like right before the intersection of South Avenue 3rd East and East 32nd Street. That's where I'm on. We're on East 32nd. It's just right before the intersection. I'm looking at the light.
You're right before the intersection?
Yes, I'm literally looking at the light. We're probably maybe not even a quarter, like an eighth of a mile down the road from the light. I've got my hazards on my white pickup truck.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Yeah, I've never seen somebody more wasted in my life. The guy nearly fell multiple times, like walking over to my truck.
Alright, 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna get you transferred over to YTSO so I can give them the information because that area is county, but we're also sending ours too. 911 to patient efficiency.
Thanks for joining me on this special drive, but hey, the excitement doesn't end here. You're still on time to win a $20 BlackboxMyCar gift card. If you're ready to take road safety to the next level, check out our BlackboxMyCar exclusives. We have new car accessories for endless possibilities on the road, as well as the BBMC Smart Drive 10 inches wireless display to revolutionize your car system. Just use code BB15 for 15% off today on all BlackboxMyCar exclusives. Find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action-packed compilations every month. Until next time, drive smart and stay vigilant. Safe travels.